Today we're going to be taking a look at these very interesting gaming headphones, which is the KZ GP20 RGB lit, wireless and wired gaming headset. They come direct from the KZ Electronics Company, which is an audio equipment store that was established in 2013. These headphones have a Bluetooth 5.0 chip. You can also use them in wireless mode too, with a 2.4G wireless connection, as well as a 3.5mm wired connection too. So yes, 3 ways to connect these headphones to your devices, which is real handy. As mentioned, they have that RGB lighting, okay we know, multi-device connection, and 68 hours of long battery life, which I guess will be a bit lower as most wireless headsets are tested with around about 40 to 50% volume being used consistently. We will indeed be testing these ones out throughout the week with 100% volume being used, yes. So yes, there's that 2.4G connection, that is while using that dongle that hopefully is supplied within the box. And the price for these headphones right now, well, they will set you back at £48, that will be around 57 in US dollars. Inside the box, everything comes very well packaged and protected. Hang on a minute. Where's the dongle? Let's take the headphones out. There's the dongle just there. But yeah, looking at the headphones themselves initially, even though they are specified as being lightweight, they certainly do have quite a bit of weight to them. I must admit, quite a solid feeling headset, with that matching 2.4G wireless dongle, which will be compatible with most consoles such as the PS4 or PS5, and even your laptop or PC. Again, with this model being the GP20. Now accessory wise, well, it's good to see that we've got that USB Type-C charge cable, which will simply charge the headset from flat in under 2 hours. We also are supplied with a 3.5mm to 3.5mm braided audio cable, and a very simplistic basic user manual, yeah. But looking back at the KZ GP20 gaming headset itself, I've got to admit I really do like the design. A fantastic choice of materials used, such as the matte black metal horseshoe driver arms. The complete headset feels very durable, with a very thick plush PU leather padded headband, matching over-the-ear thick ear pads, which are by the way removable and replaceable. Everything is indeed adjustable, such as those rocking driver units, adjustable sidearms with lots and lots of flex, so this headset will fit any size head. And as you can see, we've got those exposed wires, giving you an overall look when these headphones are placed upon your head that make you look like an aircraft ship operator. Yes, they're not bad, they feel quite comfortable, they actually do lock out a lot of the outside noise already, so obviously they've already got passive noise cancellation. But let's take a look at some of the functions. Okay, so to the left hand driver unit, we've got that on-off power button, which when turned on, the lights will illuminate on the side of those driver units. Very handsome indeed. And this KZ GP20 headset will basically go into wireless mode. Now there is that mode button that just sits right next to the power on button, which when pressed you can toggle through those RGB lighting modes to simply change the neon lighting from breathing mode to auto cycle or to a certain still colour. As well as that, if you tap it 3 times, it will change the Bluetooth mode, tapping it a further 3 times to switch it back to wireless dongle mode. So yeah, you will be able to hook this up to your mobile phone, iPhone and most Android devices that have a Bluetooth connection and even a 3.5mm connection, because we do get that 3.5mm audio port that sits right next to that on-off power button. To control the volume, we've got that very simple volume control dial, but flipping to the right hand drive unit, we have that Type-C charge port, a microphone mute switch with a live audio LED indication light. Lastly, we've got that omnidirectional microphone, which can be bent into any type of position. It does rotate 360 degrees, and when it is positioned, it will stay in place, which is a plus point. So yes, certainly a handsome headset, which looks kind of bulky, but you know what, let's go ahead and let's test them out.
Alright guys, so we're playing Horizon Forbidden West on the PlayStation 5 console. We plugged in the wireless dongle and it only took us 2 seconds to connect, which is pretty good. But when it comes to that microphone, I've got to be truly honest, wireless headset is in wireless mode. Although the microphone pickup is not too bad, it is a bit muffled, and that is because it's got that noise cancellation technology, which basically blocks out a lot of the sound from this room just now. The audio quality on the other hand though is really impressive. It's nice and punchy, real loud, very impressive directional sound. Because we are indeed using that wireless dongle, there isn't no disconnection issues whatsoever. We in fact went all the way upstairs with this headset, came back down, no disconnections, and a pretty good transmission. But what's that wired connection like? Well, let's grab that 3.5mm cable and plug it in and see. So now this headset is in wired mode. We've moved that to microphone around about 1.5 inches away from our mouth. Nope, there's no distortion whatsoever, especially when we're talking loud like this. Nope. Well, that's quite shocking because we don't actually get a foam filter that fits on the end of the microphone within the package. Now the microphone quality, as you may notice, is pretty much improved. Very good microphone quality in wired mode, but unfortunately the audio level is pretty much suppressed, and the bass does become quite flat. Don't get me wrong, the directional sounds are pretty much the same. So yes, it is rather mixed and matched, I'm afraid. As a summary, the wireless mode, you get good audio, average mic pickup. In wired mode, the microphone is much more improved, with the audio quality lacking quite a bit. So yes, we're going to continue the gameplay, and maybe get back to our overall ratings. Let's have a drink first, shall we?
Maybe next time.
Yes, so after testing these headphones out over the past couple of days, again, the audio was mixed matched in wireless and wired mode. Now battery life, we did rigorously test these out, using 100% volume consistently, both in wireless and Bluetooth mode. And out of the 68 hours battery life, that is, turning those RGB lights off and saving a bit of energy, well, we did in fact only get 41 hours of full usage. Again, that is using 100% volume, not the 50% that is tested out with most wireless headsets. And yes, you will indeed get a lower battery life when those RGB lights are consistently on. We calculated the time, and we've worked out that you basically get around about 13 to 14 hours. Now latency while using this gaming headset, there was no issue whatsoever. There's not much, if all of a delay, and that's in all connectivity modes. But if I was to sum this headset up, well, for design, we would give it an 8 out of 10. It's a very solid built unit. For overall microphone quality in all the modes, we will only be giving it a 7 out of 10. With audio quality just above that, sitting at 8 out of 10. We do like the functionality of all the different functions. They were handy enough to simply use blindly. On this aspect, we are going to give it a 9 out of 10. With our overall rating for these KZ GP20s sitting at a very reasonable 7 out of 10. Now we've gone ahead and we've left a handy little link in the video description down below for you guys to simply go ahead and check out for yourselves. We are not affiliated in any type of way, so you're free to go and take a look. But if you have liked what you've seen within this video, why not go ahead, take a little gander, and well, go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it would mean so much if you please support this channel by please hitting a like on this video, sharing wherever possible, as well as subscribing right now. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. It's been fantastic testing out this solidly built headset this week, and we hope to be doing some more very unique tech reviews in the next coming days, so stay tuned for them. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!